Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree, and Continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy with a high of 46 and a low of 27.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.